So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 stuck in automatic repair loop and how to fix this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is just press and hold your CPU's power button, and once it shutdowns you have to restart it. And then what you need to do is, when it stuck again, what you need to do is press Shift F10 on your keyboard and it will open the command prompt. Here you have to type ipconfig/flush DNS, and once you type this, hit enter and it will just flush all the DNS and cache files. Now what you need to do is type exit and then it will close, and what you need to do is again press and hold the power button to restart your PC, and once it restarts you'll notice that it will be solved and it will just boot up normally like it would. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.